everyone, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you are new here. Today I have a pop of green makeup tutorial and I am so excited for you guys to watch this video because I love green eyeshadow, but I've never really wanted to really play around with it because I've always been very scared of it because I feel like green is definitely one of those colors that it can either be really pretty or it can just be like, ooh, a hot mess. So I came up with this look last night. I was just playing around with some of my makeup and I played around with a little bit of a metallic forest green shade, and I just really liked the way that this looked in the inner half of my lid, and I thought that this was just a really pretty, subtle, wearable look that you can do using green eyeshadow. So that is just what I'm going to be showing y'all today. So let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, first I'm going to use the Chocolates palette from Profusion, and I'm going to use the shade Likable in my crease as my transition shade, and I'm going to be applying that using this teeny tiny crease brush. Alright, now using the Siennas palette from Profusion, I'm going to take the shade Adventurous on this teeny tiny little crease brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer half of my lid and a little bit into my crease. Next, I'm just going to use my eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just going to blend those shades out. Alright, now using the Glam Metals palette from Crown, I am just going to be using one shadow out of this palette today. And the shadow that I'm actually using is that one right there, and it is called Pop Rock. It is a gorgeous metallic forest green color, and I am just going to be applying that into the inner half of my lid using this teeny tiny flat brush. I'm just going to take my blending brush one more time and just go over this little area right here and make sure it is kind of blended out, and that way it all does cohere together, and that way there is no harsh lines. Alright, so I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and then I'll be done with the eyes. So I'm going to be using my bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty at Big Names, and this is just in the shade 03, and I'm going to use this to warm up my face, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. angled blush brush. Alright, using a blush out of the Profusion face kit, I'm going to use the blush in the shade Marvel on the apples of my cheeks, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Profusion blush brush. Using the Tarte Leave Your Mark palette, I'm actually going to use the highlighter in the shade Love from this little palette to highlight my face with, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this highlighting brush from e.l.f. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So first, I'm going to go in with this matte lip cream from Broadway Colors in the shade Hope. And then over the top of it, I'm just going to be applying this e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick in the shade Party in the Buff. Alright everyone, so that is it for this pop of green makeup tutorial. I hope you all really did enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you all in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.